How to log out Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log out of Facebook, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Facebook application, and then you can here see that I'm logged into my account. And if I want to log out, if you're using iOS, these menu options will be at the bottom. If you're using Android, these menu options will be at the very top. So go ahead and then open it up and make sure to just log into one of your accounts over here. So let me also go ahead and then do that, and tap the three lines option from the top right. Scroll down a bit further below, you'll find the option called Logout. Tap on Logout. You can save the login info if you want, and then you'll be successfully logged out of your Facebook account. This way you can log out Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.